Open natin, baka pwede mapinay, no? If I make 3 to a minute, how much will I make in 5 hours? So in 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute ay 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes, di ba? So kung may 5 hours ka, meron kang 300 minutes. Ngayon, i-times mo yun sa 3 to. So magkakaroon ka ng 2 times 3 is 6. Tapos 3 times 3 is 9. Iapat ka na 0. So ito yung magagawa mo.
Personal data including fingerprinting and medical examination.
Tama ba? Pagkakaintindi ko ganyan eh. Take to may formula yan eh. Ito yung isang formula pag working together. Ano ba yan? Shortcut. Magkakaroon ka ng A times B over A minus A plus B. Ibig sabihin, kung meron ka, ito shortcut to. Paggawa ng pag together kapag together ang pinapahanap. So yung A mo dyan is yung 5. Tapos yung isa is 3. Tapos meron kang 5 plus 3. So magkakaroon ka ng 15 over 8. So ibig sabihin magkakaroon ka ng 1 and 7 over 8. Tama ba? Ayan. Tapos na. Pero isang way niyan ganito. 1 over 5 plus 1 over 3 is equals to 1 over together or letter T. So kunin mo yung 1 and 7 over 8. Tama ba? Ayan. Tapos na. Pero isang way niyan ganito. 1 over 5 plus 1 over 3 is equals to 1 over together or letter T. So kunin mo yung LCD nila, which is 15T. Solving 40 ka. Then 15 divided 5 is 3 times 1 is 3T. Plus 15T divided 3, magkakaroon ka ng 5T times 1 is 5T. Is equals to 15. So magkakaroon ka ng 8T is equals to 15T. 15 pala. Divide both side by 8. So same siya nito. Basta working together, pwede mo itong gamitin.